AG Labs, my name is Ben. Good morning, hello, welcome to the micro soldering show. And today in the morning we just start with an iPhone 7 Plus, which was mailed in for data recovery job. Yeah, let's see if we can get the important data. So I switch directly to the on-hands camera and we take the ICC Pro to just have a look if we can see a problem with that device from outside without opening. So dog flags test is okay. The IC test is okay too, and the additional test for short circuit detection tells us we have a short on VCC main. Let's check if that is right or not. So I just want to open the device. And take the screen. Yeah. And we open the screws here and then we just do measurements, so just to see if we really have a short on VCC main. So if the ICC Pro was right or not. Take out the screen, take the fluke, and let's check. And we see we have a full short on VCC main. Okay, the ICC Pro was right. Let's see if we can solve that issue in the fast way. So we take out the screws. Just important to know where we can get them later, but that's not a problem. And we take out the board. Now let's check that power supply. Yeah, we have a short. And let's see at the thermal camera. If my air server would be running, I could show you the thermal image directly at the SIG, but I always get error 7000 for TCP port. I have to take a look why, because at my firewall 7000 is forwarded. I already closed the firewall completely, shut it down. Same problem, I have forwarded the ports in my router, but still 7000. So if anybody knows more about that, just contact me, otherwise I have to take a look as soon as I have time. Okay, so let's see if we can see a short. Oh, this is really a fast video. We are at 4 minutes now, and short on VCC main, cap next beside to the baseband PMU. As you can see, I will get it now. So that's really a fast video. So we go to the microscope. Let's see, and we can see it even at the cap. That's just a money shot. That's really a fast job, fast money. Okay, let's go to the board holder. So I have to do 2 swaps today in the morning, one iPhone 7, one iPhone 8. Then I have an X, and we have about 40 to 50 devices which has to be fixed today by totally 4 technicians, so that's just crazy. I don't know how to get, but we try to. Oh no! I fucking got tweezers here. I wasn't working for 3 days now under the microscope. It's always like being a complete newbie. Okay, out. And we set a new one in. Just take some flux here. Just need to get the right capacitors here. Where you are, baby! Okay. Okay, done. Wait a short time for cooling down. Take a brush and just clean it. And now we just check it at power supply to see if the short has been gone. Yeah, it has been gone, and if I try to boot, this looks like a boot for me. Great, so problem solved. I will renew the glue sticker later, because here you can see just a little dirt here. And I will renew the glue stick at the back side too. Cleaning again after the job completely. That's just normal. But I want to show to you that the device is working again now. Perhaps I do another live stream later. But we have to do a lot of work today, so I'm really happy that the video isn't too long today in the morning. Because it always takes time. So perhaps another battery. I think this one is discharged. Where we have one. Here. Having a look if this battery is charged. Yeah, boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 7 Plus after no boot caused by short on VCC main. And now you can see that the ICC Pro will tell us that all is fine. I just don't know about the personal image at the background, so I do it like that. Take it in that way. Let's see if I have a code for that. Do I have a code? No, I don't have a code. I have to call the customer for the code to do a complete functionality test, but as you see, the phone works fine again. Just a little job. iPhone 7 Plus short on VCC main, easily solved by using the ICC Pro and some hot air and the capacitor, okay? If you want to learn things like that really easily, you can do that at the Border Level Repair School Germany, or just write me a message for online training, ben@apfeldoktor.eu. I would be happy to see you at our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be really happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And you should buy an ICC Pro, a tool which every technician in the whole world needs, in my opinion. As you saw, it's really fast and easy to solve errors like this by just using the ICC Pro. I'm out, and we see us with the next one. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.